Hello, this is Captain Kramer, IEEE President and CEO for 2025. And I want to wish everyone a happy PES Day for 2025.
Hi, I'm Mary Ellen Randall, President-elect of IEEE, and today we celebrate PES Day. Let's continue to innovate and collaborate for a sustainable future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is David Coleman. Today is Happy PES Day. Today is the day that we celebrate sustainable energy solutions, providing safe, reliable power to everybody globally. Please enjoy today. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Sophie Muirhead. I'm IEEE's Executive Director and Chief Operating Officer. Happy 2025 PES Day! Yay!
Hello everyone, this is Simaya Carpolar. I wish you all happy PES Day. This is the time to celebrate future direction and innovation for the power and energy solutions and all of our colleagues in our power industry. Enjoy the day.
Hi, I'm Hironori Masaki, Computer Society President. We have a long-term collaboration with Power and Energy Society, because power and energy is truly important in area. And so let's celebrate the PES Day to celebrate the next innovation of power and energy.
Vice President of IGA. So today we are celebrating PES Day, and I wish you all a very happy IEEE PES Day. And let us take a pledge to shape our future by efficient and effective use of power and energy. Thank you.
I'm Eric Gregorian. I'm the Region 3 Director. I'd like to go ahead and congratulate IEEE PES for that PES Day 2025. So we're over here in Japan, Tokyo, Japan for the big summit. And congratulations and happy PES Day.
Hi, I'm Tom Coughlin, and I'm the 2025 IEEE Past President. And I want to wish you a happy IEEE PES Day 2025.
Hello, I'm Alexis Forgas, IEEE R2 YP Coordinator. Happy IEEE PES Day 2025.
Hello everyone, my name is Marco Delimar and I'm the IEEE Foundation President and 31 years member of the IEEE Power and Energy Society. Happy IEEE Power and Energy Society Day.
Hi, Matt Francis, Region 5 Director, and I'm here wishing you a happy Power and Energy Society Day 2025 from Tokyo.
Hi everyone, Jamie Mesh from IEEE Educational Activities based in Piscataway, New Jersey, and here at the beautiful IEEE Honors Ceremony in Tokyo, Japan. And I just want to wish everyone a happy Power and Energy Society Day 2025. Thanks for all the amazing work you do to drive the entire industry forward. It's an amazing group, and congratulations.
Hi everybody, Russ Harrison, Managing Director of IEEE USA in Washington, D.C. Wishing you a happy PES Day 2025.
I'm actually the IEEE Malaysia Section Chair. Happy IEEE PES Day 2025.